Hey!
What's going on there about it? I just noticed that today, for some reason, my webcam... It's like showing the side of my tank, where before it wasn't doing that. Like it was... I don't know. Now that's gonna bother me. I don't think it's always been like that. Let's go back. Let's see. Oh, yeah, I just went back a little bit and it does still look like that. For some reason, I'm just now noticing it though. We'd like, but as you can see in the first 11 days, we're at $183.80. Huh. Oh well. Good morning, AJ. Good morning, Vincenzo. Good morning, Jag. Good morning, Adley.
How far away are you?
Yeah. About 40 minutes. I mean, if it's an emergency, obviously I just got to call 911, but
Yeah.
for like anything like, oh, I need this. Like, okay, can you wait for Bean, or do you really need me to drive out there for that? You know?
Yeah.
You can wait for your daughter to get home at 5, then let's wait. My other sister's going to take her to a doctor appointment on Friday because she's off work Friday and Saturday, so we've got the next few days covered.
Yeah.
So we'll see how it goes. I mean, this is going to sound weird, but I've analyzed PDD pretty hard. It has a nice, like, $3 range, which I like every day.
Yes, it does.
And I think today's going to be an up day. So let's see what happens. If I can get a long out of this, that would be cool. Like a fast one. I want to be done, like, in 30 minutes.
Yeah.
That's what I'd be hoping for. What?
Dr. Pepper has a new flavor for their drink now.
Uh-uh.
It's bourbon.
Shut up.
Wait for
Is it with actual
Morning, babe.
bourbon or is it like?
I think it's just flavored that way.
Oh,
Featuring
that's fucking weird.
aged oak, vanilla, honey, and cherry. This bourbon-inspired Dr. Pepper's limited edition legend. Yeah, so it's just a flavor that it's non-alcoholic.
That's funny. I don't drink soda often, but I tried this. I used to drink Diet Coke and shit, but they have the Diet Dr. Pepper cream soda.
Yeah.
It's fucking bomb. I'm not a big Dr. Pepper fan, but I'm a big cream soda fan. So I'll try it. It was good.
Have you ever had the drink Flaming Dr. Pepper?
I have. My buddy used to make those all the time.
Yeah. They're very good.
They are very good. They
It
taste
tastes-
like a Dr. Pepper.
It's amazing.
They weirdly taste like Dr. Pepper, and there's no fucking Dr. Pepper in them.
Yep. Hazy
What
Arch
was that?
dropped like 30 cents.
What was the one that was dropping earlier? That AAL was making fucking crazy moves. AAL dropped from 1430. I'm not sure I was talking about it.
1380s.
700
Or actually, no,
1310. It was as low, or 1311. It had that fucking crazy ass drop, but I don't know what the fuck to do with that.
Yeah, well now it's not, and it just went back up to 80 cents. So, and that, well, not,
I like PDD, man. I am weirdly interested in that one today, which we'll see.
why is Nelson on?
And maybe UAL to the downside. I think
BKS
they kind of
Sporting
into
Goods
that
shares
one.
up about $5 now at the highs. Delta Kilo Sandy.
Can't do anything.
Bill
with it.
Tequila Sandy.
Oppenheimer
making
giving
fun
an
of Charlie.
upgrade this morning
Easy. Huge.
to a perform from a perform to an
No
outperform.
volume.
We open up in about a minute. Yeah, dude, I think UAL the downside, but I gotta keep an eye on that. I think it's gotta break through something. Level wise, that one's kind of a tough one. For
1
me.
minute to the U.S. market open.
I prefer shorts, man, but strangely, yeah. All right, PDD UAL done. That's my watch. Let's go. 1 minute, 45 seconds. I don't know where anybody is. I haven't even heard our boy in here yet.
I said, good morning, good morning. You too busy running your mouth.
Say it louder, bitch. Push a button. Let's go. Good luck, boys.
Oh,
Seconds.
All right, guys. See you later. I'll be back tomorrow.
Later, dude. Have a good day.
may not be a bad choice. There you go.
MICT. Virgin Target Tingo Mobile signs trade agreement with the umbrella organization. That's Michael India Charlie Tango.
Las Vegas Sands.
US
LVS
market
earnings.
open.
20,
Apparently
30
Las
cents.
Vegas is still doing good. LVS is,
Yeah. No volume.
yeah. Apparently that's earnings, by the way. Curious.
Yeah.
Order filled.
DV Double Verify launching election
Started.
task force ahead
Oh,
of
that's
midterm
bad. But it's
elections.
SSR,
That's Delta
unfortunately.
Victor.
Took a starter in LVS.
Carrot. Small.
It's hoping for more of a drop than that. What was that just popped up? I hate when it does that. It wasn't my connection or...
NEON.
This is
NeoNode
YME.
extends agreement to use NeoNode technology in displays for global OEM medical supplier. That's November.
Hold it up.
Echo
And it was
Oscar November.
jiggled for a
NEON.
second. Didn't give me a chance to get in.
Coming up at 10 a.m. existing home sales and the U.S. leading index.
UAL's running
Both of those for
Yeah,
a little
September.
bit.
Watching shop.
And at 10:30 natural gas storage.
Order filled.
PDD didn't come down to my area. And he's not doing
Shop.
shit.
Oxy dropped like $1 and then went back up $1.
Yeah, somebody was talking about that one this morning. I didn't put that one up.
Shop is going up like crazy.
Shop's making a move. I haven't really looked at that chart. Effort. Oh, look at this UAL, dude. She's
Dow
going
Jones
for the
Industrial
fucking...
Average up
Yeah, it's
0.1%.
Not really a fan of this one anymore. It got real slow.
NASDAQ composite down 0.14%.
Carrot.
Don't know what to do with this one.
Basically looking for the big flush here. And 38 is where it got there.
Order filled.
Are you watching Jaggy Pie?
I was watching ZYME.
Dollar LVS.
Came back
A
up.
lot of
It did-
LVS.
That's a good win.
Finally worked. Shop just looking for the 29 retest.
You did get in it.
Yeah, I'm in at 18. I thought I got in at 20 or 21, but pretty crap fill. LVS, I should have just took half. I was
LVS
going
dollar.
to. Well. Damn, look at LVS, you fucker. I knew once that broke, it was probably going to break, and I just kind of bitched out because I didn't like how it was trading. Just like now, I don't like how shop's trading.
Yeah.
This UAL can hold up here. I think it's got more room to the upside. What's this SPY doing?
Chopping.
Yeah, really choppy.
And ZYME, it came back up, didn't go back where I wanted, and it just died.
Shop in.
Uh,
A lot of
PD
LVS.
is not doing what I wanted it to.
So you got a good one on LVS too, huh, Thomas?
Jump back up, huh?
Yeah, my average was crap, but yeah, it still ended up working out pretty good.
I had to pull up that shop chart. Oh, there it goes. Load. I remember Shopify, but what the fuck is that?
It's kind of like
Online commerce.
yeah, it's like Etsy.
Oh, okay. It's like a credit card service for online companies.
Order
or
filled.
something, right?
Well, it's like a whole like selling website where you like
Websites, they do that shit.
yeah, they do all that.
Yeah, or you can make websites through them, I suppose.
Yeah.
I remember. I just forgot what that was. I was like, I don't remember what this company does.
Order cancelled.
RKLY, Rockley Photonics naming a new CFO, Romeo Kilo Lima Yankee.
Order filled. Order cancelled.
Started that one with you, Tim.
What are you in at?
Right here.
NGM.
Order cancelled. Order filled.
A little bit of the fat there.
Shop dollar on way. Shop
Order
dollar.
filled.
This did trade right up into an area, so like, try it.
LVS dollar.
Damn, LVS. Fuck you.
It's still dying.
Yeah, went all the way back down.
You still in shop, Tim?
Yeah, I got out most there.
Hell yeah, Diego.
I was hoping for the bust down through 50, but it didn't quite give it to us.
I'm still trying to wait on
A lot of shop.
Yeah, my average isn't great. It's at 52.
Yeah, I'm all out there. Small win. Not really worth my time. I'm not going to the highs.
If it wants to go right there, I'm okay with it. Get my average up with smaller shares.
NGM nibble.
You added back in up there?
No, not yet. I'm saying I would.
Oh, okay.
Ugh.
Is there news
Just
on
check
this? I
daily
wasn't
there.
really paying attention, but
Was what?
Was there news? I didn't hear anything.
I have no
But
idea.
this is moving a little intensely for no news.
Only thing I can find is
Yeah,
16 hours ago, Shopify dips more than broader markets. What you should know.
Totally just
Order
busted
filled.
through a level on the daily, which I don't know what the hell that means. I'm not touching that anymore.
PM
Love
Philip
the chart,
Morris
bitch.
says on their conference call, we estimate the total U.S. industry profit pool at over $20 billion. Papa Michael, PM.
Crazy move. PDD, you're doing exactly what I wanted to do, but just a little too fast. Never dipped down, and I wanted that dip down. Just kind of went up. I don't know how to trade that. Ugh. Shitty markets, UAL, what
Watching
you doing, girl?
NGM.
Looking at that. Oh, actually, I do have something.
AAL, what are you doing, girl?
Ugh, the shop. God dang it. It finally looked like it was about to break down, and then some like huge cover order or buy order.
Kinda looking grindy, bro.
Yeah, I'm looking for the exits. I thought I was about to get out there. My average is at 70 now, so I was right there. The 74, and then shot right to the highs.
ZM up.
Alright, sorry. I was about to cuss. Cannot stand it when these charts just don't load right on DOS. It's so aggravating.
Little double top there. How about one of them sells like that buy? That'd be nice. Shoot down to the $50 real quick.
Hey, UAL, what are you doing?
It's definitely going up easier than it's going down at the moment. It's struggling to come down and then pops right back up. Not the kind of... I mean, it's a bigger company, so I knew what I was getting into,
What are you
but...
watching, Jaggy? Nothing.
Just looking around, baiting on getting in shop, but didn't. The one that really got me is ZYME. I just wanted it a little bit higher, and it didn't do it.
Zyme.
Feels like they're trying to push it up through
Burger.
30 for sure.
Died.
That's what it feels like.
No volume though, bro. That's a toughie.
Well, I wanted 725. Your 725 is good.
Jesus, I'm cold in my house. What the fuck is happening? I live in Vegas. This isn't supposed to happen. No, it's coming fast this year, dude.
I'm looking...
Like,
if this is going to go through 30, I'm looking to cut the half, and then I'll look to add it back after I see what it does through 30.
I'm like, what? It's kind of early.
That's my current plan.
I'll
Obviously,
take it.
just looking for it to work, but it doesn't look like it's going to right this second. It looks like it wants to
I
go
knew I
higher.
should have shorted you, but you evaded me, you piece of shit.
Headline: Boris Johnson expected to stand in contest. That, according to the New York Times, Boris Johnson expected to stand in the Tory leadership contest to replace
Order cancelled.
Liz Truss as
Order
Prime
filled.
Minister.
Order filled.
Shop waiting.
A small little baby short in UAL right now.
LVS is going back up. It's up $1 off the bottom.
A little baby short's making me a little bit of money.
For UAL.
Yeah.
What'd you get
I'd
in?
like to see a break. I got an VWAP. 75. I said, fuck it. I'm throw 200 shares without it at VWAP. Why not? There we go. What's that? Took a little bit
HOP
off.
Shopify shares up 5% now, or just off the highs on heavy volume. Sandy Hotel Oscar Papa.
Dude, not a bad little move on this one. I'll fucking take this shit all day.
Order partially filled. Order filled.
I'm gonna take a little more off because it might bounce off this 200 here. 39.40, I call it a day.
Shop RD $2.
Although I'd really like to see this thing fucking fade. That's kind of what I was hoping for today.
Order filled.
Not exactly how I drew it up, but managed my way through it.
Shop's dropping pretty good for you now, Tim. Worked out well.
Deputy U.S. Secretary of State Sherman.
Yeah.
discussed North Korean missiles.
I had to realize some
Deputy
loss up
with
there at the
deputies
top,
in
but
South Korean
added it
Yeah.
back and
Tokyo,
ended up green,
October
so that's
24th
a
and
plus.
26th.
Shop Cha
Yeah.
Ching.
We'll cover security issues, including Taiwan.
I managed it well, considering.
Yeah.
Down to leftovers on shop.
Yeah, same here.
Almost comes in. I'll show you how to
MQ
do
up.
this too.
Order cancelled.
No, I mean, I played it how I would always play it, so I'm very proud of how I played it, and I even talked myself through it and did exactly what I said I was going to do, so
PFIS,
there's some pluses in there, and I ended up green, so can't really complain.
Good stuff. Yeah, I was all out of the first trade, and then I jumped back in. Got too
Yeah, I
bad.
mean, that's the only way that could have been way better, is if I would have got out everything, because then where I would have got back in and then added, it would have been a really nice second trade, but unfortunately that's not what happened. I didn't really think that it was going to spike right back up to the highs, but if it did, I'm looking at the chart and there's still no pullback if it does that, so it's okay to stay in that trade in my eyes, which it was. I mean, it would have worked out had I not. I had to realize some up through 30, but I added them back at the same spot, so it worked out.
He estimated $1.41. So that
Yeah, I'm
shows
at
about
78
30%.
area.
69.
I just put a trail and a break even when I covered those last shares, so wherever the low is right now, it's, what is it, 27 cents is my trail. A little frustrating because it could have definitely been a better trade, but oh well.
All out.
This thing's definitely jumpy.
Order
Yep,
filled.
I'm all out too.
All out shop.
Not in, so I'm all out too.
I was hoping it would just die and just go back to 29, but obviously it didn't.
Yeah. 28.20 would have been awesome.
Look at this thing, right back up.
I'm trying to believe in my idea on UAL, but it's about to get me. I'm out. It got me. You piece of shit.
A starts. NGM took the
We're
pennies.
all getting fucked. I'm gonna keep watching this one though. Don't you turn around there, you little piece of shit. Bet you money it's gonna do it.
Wasn't making the same mistake twice there.
Shopify.
Yeah, I mean, it's the same thing it did the
DDD,
first
What
time.
the fuck is up with that thing today? I had such the right call on that, except it didn't pull back.
Just grinding up.
Grind it straight up, man. I didn't expect that. I wanted to pull back to like 54.90-ish. I thought for sure I'd get that. And it just said, nope, straight up for me. Did I not say that though, Jag? PDD's going up today. I said it. I'm trying to make these calls out loud just so I know I'm not just fucking crazy.
$8.
Sometimes you wonder, like, did I say that? Or am I, like, thinking that now because it did? So if I'm like, if I say it out loud, somebody will remember.
Coming up, IPOs from ALPX, LPX, 3 million.
Also put PDD with an arrow. Honestly, I put it down, and then I did more evaluation of the chart, and I flipped it. I'm like, no, let's go up.
10.3 million priced at
It's
$17.
SPY. SPY went down. It's up over $2 over. It's up bottom.
Fucking A, PDD would have.
Well, the SPY-
my goal, 5760.
The SPY was why I was in shop a little, like I was still convinced because it was trying to move lower. But then I saw it starting to come up, and that's why the second time I was like, nah, I'm good.
Yeah.
I want to get to the point where I can treat these ones that I see almost like a swing trade, even though it's not. Like where I get in regardless of price because I know it's going here.
Oh, were you long,
And it's-
AA?
Me?
Yes.
I didn't
Are you
take it.
AAL? Sorry.
I'm
What were
not-
you in?
I didn't trade AA. I was short UAL.
Or UAL? Well, you don't have to act like I'm an idiot when I say AAL or AA. Like, I was on the right direction. You could just be like, bro,
Well, you said
it's
AA.
UAL.
I had no clue what you were talking about. AA. I'm like, I was never in Alcoa, bro.
AA, David was in AA. I just, that was why I
looked at
thought.
that fucking chart today.
UAL. Were you long or short? Now I'm
Yes.
looking at it.
I was short
You're
UAL.
Sure. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that makes more sense.
Yeah, it's off of the VWAP test. Got out towards the 200. Now I'm trying to see what, and it fucking just literally almost top ticked it. Went a couple cents higher than my exit. Coming back down. That's cool. That makes me feel good.
I'm actually really pleased with how I played shop there.
PDD.
Considering.
I should have been
It was not an easy trade. It was actually a hard
You
trade.
gotta start fucking
And I
calling
managed
me
it
bitch
really
when I
well.
don't do those
It
or
worked out.
something.
Okay. If you want me
You
to.
gotta do
I mean, obviously, it could have
I
went
do.
high of day
I want
again,
you to call
and
me
we
a
would have
bitch
stopped out. It
when
would have been like a
say
$40,
something
$50
like
loss,
that,
but
and I'm like,
I mean, that's
oh, it
really,
didn't come down
that's
much,
pretty good.
so I'm not in it.
You ask
Fuck
me.
you,
40,
Devin,
I'll
get
take
in
$40, $50 losses all day when I'm trying to make
Get
like
in.
$30 on a win.
That's right.
So
Well,
it's
now
a pretty
too late.
small loss
It's already
in
above my
comparison.
target. And that could have been my one and done.
Of course, now it's gonna
decent
work out.
trade right fucking there.
Shop is now going to go all the way to 29 after trying higher.
Shop's coming down.
Nah, not really. I mean, it just came to VWAP again. That thing's pretty strong. Feels pretty strong.
There's got to
Feels
be
like
news
it-
on that, dude.
Feels like if it can keep ascending, like make an ascending triangle here, like using 30 as the
It'll go
top,
higher.
I think it'll make a pretty big move up.
We'll make a big move up into your ass. Sorry.
Ayo.
Ew. I'm hungry.
Hold plenty if it can get going with volume.
Till I get a trade.
Jack, I might die.
Fasting day.
This might be the end. If you're not going to eat until you get a trade, that means you might have to wait till tomorrow. You get hungry enough, you're going to take a fucking trade.
Yeah, I feel like if there's anything I could have did better on my trades, it's maybe be a little more patient. I feel like I might have FOMO'd into those, and those are two companies that you probably don't want to FOMO into early.
You're like
So,
big companies like that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's definitely
Okay,
something that
okay.
I should consider next time. Be a little more patient. They both tried to go higher after I got in, so definitely could have been a little more patient.
Coming up, existing home sales, 4.7 million expected. for September.
Yeah,
and
look at
US
shop.
heating
I have a
index
feeling that one.
-0.3%,
That looks like a good long, in my opinion.
coming up at 10.
Kind of a breakout, honestly, on the daily. Just gonna pull it up and see what I think here.
I want to hurry. It's kind of at that key spot where it's probably gonna do the breakout. But you might get another little minor pullback to
I
like
think if it goes
29.80.
over 30, it's gonna go much over 30, not in a few cents. I'm not sweating that too bad. I wouldn't expect 30.20, you know?
Yeah, I did,
You're
AJ.
looking for
I'm just
31 at
trying
least.
to get some nice wins based off the scale up, but
I look for those ones that have
Unfortunately,
$1 moves, $2
keep
moves
running
instead of
into some tougher
10
trades.
cents.
I mean,
So you gotta
LVS
hurry.
wasn't that tough, but the volume wasn't great on this one. It slowed down quite a bit, but then we did finally get that
Good
break. We
volume.
just had to order out
Come
near
on, shop.
VWAP.
30-50 fast.
31 fast.
Ooh, 31 pass.
What are you
I'd be
dreaming?
licking my chops.
On the chart, I'd see 31.
Yeah, but in 2 minutes,
Could happen.
I
How
hope
long
you're
did it
right.
take to get from 28 to 30? About 10?
Yeah, but that's not fast.
That was pretty quick, man.
It's not. That's not emotional.
Oh, it's not emotional. Okay. Yeah, you want that 10-second move.
Yes.
I don't think you're gonna get that. I think this is gonna grind, but that's my thought. I think the fastest move you got is gonna be that first one. And the rest of this is gonna be pretty damn slow.
Well, if it goes to 31 and it grinds, I hope you get it, because I'm not.
Me too. I hope I get a long. I don't
Yeah,
want
yeah,
to short.
that's what I meant.
I don't.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Yeah, I don't short grinders. Watching this being funky.
Yeah, I mean the range on shop isn't that crazy. I don't even. What was it? What did I do? 150. Yeah. I'm looking to make around $30 on a starter. That's kind of what I'm looking for
J-A-double-G.
at this point.
CANO. Not really worth
I feel
watching.
like you've been watching that one a lot lately. Cano?
Yeah, I haven't traded it.
Yeah.
It just doesn't move enough.
Yeah.
It starts to,
Which means if I can
I'm
get,
starting to feel like it doesn't
you
have the
know,
momentum
3 or
that I
4
would
good
need it to
trades,
have.
I should be over that $100 mark pretty easily. Then we're just going to keep pushing from there. But unfortunately,
AMD do today.
it's very,
4.71
very
million
rare
units. The
Probably nothing.
consensus was
no, it just
To get
grinded
any
up
kind
of
$2.
more than 2 or 3 moves.
Now I'm looking at the SPY. I'm like, I bet you AMD looks like that. No, AMD looks better than the SPY, kind of.
I'm really hoping to be pretty consistent
Now it might
$100 a
be
day
like you give up some though, but
-0.4%.
That's funny. AMD is better than the
all
SPY
of
today.
November,
Look at that.
and then I'm really hoping to get to like 150, 200 by the end of the year.
Oh,
Like that's
shop.
my goal. I'm gonna really start pushing.
-0.3%.
Yep, there
Looking at
goes shop.
AMD. Hold up, girl. I was looking at the wrong chart.
I just had a decent pop on shop.
That's what I'm saying, dog.
Wouldn't mind starting this again if it can get up towards the $50.
Ah, fuck. It won't allow me. Would have needed
Go,
it right above
go,
that 30-10.
Go, no, go, keep going.
I think you got a grinder on your hand, but
Yeah, it wasn't enough.
yeah, I don't think you're gonna get that. I'm telling you, I really don't see this
Yeah,
doing
no
that.
pass for me.
On these
Daily.
big charts, a lot of times you see that big first move, and then everything else is kind of grindy. I can't even fucking get in this thing because it's grinding. Alright. Back to AMD, that's almost to a key level.
CBNA is moving a little bit.
Carvana?
Yeah.
Caravana.
Order filled.
Shopify, you are a bitch.
Just looking to scalp it.
Hungry.
Looks like it ran out of steam.
Like, do I want to
Small
pull
shop.
up CVNA or not really?
I was hoping it would get up to 75. Short it, but
This thing definitely doesn't like to give decent pullbacks. I don't think I'm gonna mess with this one anymore after this time.
high a day.
Just looking for the 30 break here.
Indeed, man, that's getting slightly juicy.
Keeps getting bought up. Look at that. People keep stepping in right at 30. Oh, got through for a second.
PXMD NTV.
Be bladder's about to explode. OMD. I gotta pee real fast.
AAPL, Apple Fitness Plus, available to iPhone users in 21 countries beginning October 24th. That's Alpha Papa Lima.
And go down to 20.
Order partially filled. Order filled.
NGM out most for a loss. All out. Not messing with that.
I took shop off. I tried it small. I was just looking for the quick scalp, but it doesn't even want to do that. Feels a little too strong. Ended up with a penny loss there.
AHR, if you have shorts, you get interesting.
I was looking at that one earlier.
Instagram from abuse. Said when you block someone, you also have the option to block
He
others.
says that A and the E so quick. All I hear is AHR, but I know he's talking about AHR.
AHR. Yeah. HR. HR. Yeah, I hear it. We don't have a lot of shorts in that, yeah? I think that's why I didn't keep that up earlier.
I tried to get in.
Yeah, we got plenty. 300,000.
Oh, we have plenty? Yeah, 300,000. That's what we had earlier. Alright, so it's the same.
I tried to get in at 1980. Still stopped at 1979 and dropped 20 cents. That's good.
Spy with the fucking move.
Try it again if it can have a
Back
decent
up
move up
into
to
that
the
pre-market
$5,
level.
especially since we didn't get any kind of a real pullback
Yeah,
here.
it's right at the pre-market highs now.
Mhm. Man, grinders are still my nemesis, dude. They're difficult to get in.
Got a really key level here on the daily.
You just gotta get in it with the faith that it's still gonna keep grinding. And you just gotta do it. B-Web, B-level, support areas, say fuck it.
Buys to over the pre-market high today.
Yeah, it is. Just popped its ass right through there, huh? Damn. Pie might get pie. Spy might get squeezy.
Stop looking at that grinder.
What,
What
the
else to
spy?
look at? Plus, I'm really just waiting for it to actually go.
Yeah, I'm with you. But now I need over 31.
Somebody said it was going there when it was under 30. It just didn't take
And
the
then
trade.
someone decided to
FCX
just
Freeport
watch AMD
Macaron
instead.
CEO says physical copper market is
Someone made
strikingly
a mistake. It's okay.
tight
Okay.
globally right now.
But you consistently making that mistake, bro. We gotta fix that.
Outlook and position
I
copper
do
market.
miss trade sometimes, but that's okay.
I think the
It's a
part that
grinder, dude. It's not my
kinda-
typical trade, but I'm trying to figure those out.
well, the part that frustrated me is it was moving up through 30. It was at like 30.11 when you said you missed it, and you had just previously said that you're not worried
No, it's
about a
over
few cents.
20 when it said I missed it, but that's okay.
Well, it pulled back to
It was
30.11 as it was
Because I
going.
said I wanted it right above 30.08, and it was all the way above 30.20.
It pulled back though to 30.11. That's why I drew my line there.
Pulled back to 30.25, it looks like.
Oh, after it kept going,
And
yeah.
you cut
That was
the
actually
starter.
when I got in.
Oh, on that pullback?
I'm talking on the move up through 30, the high of day or whatever. It went to 30.20, but then
10
gave
KTV.
a quick pullback to 30.11.
Oh, like you can't even see it on the chart?
No,
Like that
yeah, it was
quick?
part of the same candle. It wasn't like quick,
Gotcha.
but yeah, it was quick enough.
It's quick enough. It took under
Yeah,
20,
yeah.
30 seconds. I mean, it wasn't like a pullback and a rest.
Well, my candle's 2 minutes long.
HOOD, Robin
My candle's 1 minute and I don't see it. That's what I'm saying.
Well, yeah, it happened. It was probably like 15, 20 seconds.
Yeah, that's a pretty quick pullback. I believe that's in there. I just, you can't see it. Unless I do a tick chart, which I don't have. Gotta call Ross Cameron.
Yeah, go to the 10-second chart.
I'm gonna flip over to the 10-second chart here. I'm gonna buy this micro pullback.
This thing's
Micro
definitely grinding.
pullback. I don't even think that's a real fucking thing. A micro pullback. I think he just made that shit up.
Oh, he did. He only uses the 1 minute now. He's like, it's the 1 minute micro pullback. Like, oh, okay, well, okay.
Oh, he
well,
doesn't use that.
Yeah, he just uses the 1 minute now. I was watching his thing from the All-Star Summit or whatever from yesterday.
But it'll
And he was taking some.
pullbacks.
Yeah, he calls them 1 minute micro pullback. Like, how do you know it's going to be a micro pullback? What if it turns into a macro pullback? 1 minute macro pullback, buy in the dip. Thomas, can you tell me that there's better trades out there, please? There's
Dude,
another
I'm
one right around the
trying to
corner.
find a spot on shop to where I would be interested in this piece of shit. And the only thing I could find
Well,
is like 31.25.
Right here on the daily is such a key spot. Like if you look left from like May through September, this was support forever. And then it turned into resistance underneath it.
Right.
So it's like this is such a key area, but it's trying to act like it don't even exist.
Yeah,
moment.
because it's through it, so I'm thinking it's going to use it. I'm thinking it's still going to keep going because it looks strong. So it's like, where's the next level?
Let's consult Steve. It has room to 170.
Yeah. This was way up there.
20 appears to be the where it has room to.
And the other thing too is if you look at the volume, it's just like steady volume. It's not. There's no like
Consistent.
exhaustion
It's a grinder,
or anything.
motherfucker. It's
Yeah.
what we call
No,
a
it's
grinder.
it's literally the definition
Grinder
of
be
a grinder.
grinding. It's gonna grind until it doesn't grind.
And it's following the SPY a lot too, and the SPY is just going straight up at the moment.
SPY is strong as fuck today, and it's breaking through levels like a motherfucker too. So I would count on this doing the same shit.
Everyone's just saying that this is just a temporary bounce and we're gonna still head lower.
I agree with that, but there was bound to be a fucking bounce in here, dude. We've been trading sideways for like a week. It either had to break down or get a little bounce. I don't know if it's really been a week or if I just made those numbers up in my head, but I'll tell you for real in a sec. Oh yeah, we've been trading sideways for kind of a long minute here. I mean, technically, we're in a pattern that's been going on since fucking, what date is this? 9/22. September 22nd, we've been in this fucking same sideways pattern. That sucks. That's why the market's been sucking.
Yeah, I'm just gonna leave this alone now.
Did you short AEHR, Jag? Because if you did, you made some money.
I didn't.
It's unfortunate. You know what's annoying about AMD? I just wanted it to break over 60. And the SPY was going straight up, and it just wouldn't go to 60. Like, why won't you just go to $60, please? I had an alert set. I was gonna see it. Said, no, I'm gonna right under there. Just kind of fade here.
Dang,
How you like
LVS
that?
went all the way back up too. Up through the highs.
GOOGO, India's competition regulator, fines Google 13.38 billion rupees.
What are you talking? He's talking about rupees?
I think it's about roofies. I think Bill Cosby's back in the news.
Penalty for
Good old Bill.
anti-competitive practices in relation to Android
You
mobile
want some of my pudding, Bob?
devices. That's Golf Oscar Golf Lima.
Hey Brad, how
You know
big you
what?
think our lead's gonna be this weekend before we blow it?
Who are you playing this week?
I don't even know. The Browns.
Fuck, why am I on the stock?
The
The Browns.
Browns.
They can't come back. It's the Browns.
Coming up at 10:30, natural gas storage. Expected build of 105 BCF.
Okay. I just threw money at AMD. We'll see if this works.
Damn, shorting it off the highs.
Short now.
Or are you
It's
long?
falling, which is a little more concerning.
I bet you I can tell you what AMD's doing without ever looking at AMD's chart. It's probably going to start trying to bounce a little bit.
QNGYHTV.
Got any shares on QNGY, Jag? Assuming not.
Nope.
Shares of Tesla making new intraday highs now near $211.
Go Tesla,
Sandy
go
Alpha.
Tesla. It's your birthday, it's your birthday. Now AMD should be coming back down towards the pullback area that it created.
Shop all out for a loss.
Oh baby, come on, Spy, you can do it. Show AMD the path. Break that 371. You shove it down. Braga, rupees are the Russian dollar, right?
That's rubles, isn't it?
Oh yeah, it is rubles. Aren't they the same thing?
I don't think
India? Oh, rupees. Yeah, India. You're right. You're right. I love this song. But I don't know the conversation. Conversion? Oh, conversion. It's a lot. Let me see. So 1 rupee is worth $0.012.
So. 0.012.
So it's about between 82 and 83 rupees per dollar.
Damn.
You'd be rich in India. SPY got
I'm
bought
over.
up. SPY going back to the highs. Which means shop should do the same. Where you at, everybody? Come on, man. Give me some plays. Give me some plays. Oh, SPY refuses to go high of day. But it keeps getting bought up. So, Thomas, you, I was going to ask you a question about a gun, a firearm. I know I forgot it. I'll remember it. Hold on.
Took a paper cut on AMD, and then didn't like that. But I had to meet you because I don't really want you to play by play while I'm in a trade. Like you don't like me doing to you, so same.
Is your goal every day to make me bite my tongue?
Well, when you call me out on shit and then you do the same thing back to me, it's like I'm gonna say the same shit to you.
I mean, I don't really care about that. That's more for other people. Nice cut, by the way, because
you
SPY's
say
about to
all
rip.
the time, don't do that.
Well, I say it for
when I do
other
it to you.
people. I could care less.
You don't shut up. Admit it.
What?
Especially if it's going against.
I
you,
am
getting
admitting
attitude,
that I
don't
do
admit
say it. No, I'm admitting I say it, but it's not for me. It's for other people.
Okay.
I got my trade.
You did? What'd you get?
NGM.
Nice.
nice.
MGM?
Isn't that the Vegas ticker? Oh, NGM.
Yeah. Not MGM.
MGM. MGM, that's Disney anyway, isn't it?
And see,
Ooh,
green.
AJ was with you.
Only bad thing is I didn't get my ad at the top of it.
Texas sues Google for allegedly
Oh, what the
capturing
fuck?
biometric data.
This
of
thing had a
millions of
huge gap
Texans
down the other day.
without proper consent. It's Golf Oscar Golf Lima.
The AJ, we actually got in at the same time, but he got the ad at the top. I didn't get it.
What a loser, Jag.
Gotcha.
What a loser.
Oh no. I blew it. He did it better.
Tim, as much as I love you, I bite my tongue every day with you as well.
You make me
Yeah.
I think we both have that same reaction to each other at times. And I'm like, just shut up.
Yeah. Well, it's a good thing you cut it.
I'll go on
Yeah.
mute sometimes. Shop is fucking making a move too. Indeed.
Well,
Back when man it gets into the 60s, that's when I really get interested.
Well, that's when the SPY's just still going.
Yep.
Yeah.
It's through the highs of
My
yesterday.
negative about the SPY is 380s. It's next level, but I don't fucking know
I don't
if it'll
see
get
that
up there.
You never know.
You never know though. With the fucking SPY.
I'm just annoyed that the SPY's doing this and we're not getting like more like volatile type plays out of like other companies. It's just all these big companies.
Nobody
Yeah,
believes.
I think when the SPY moves, that's what you're gonna mainly get as big comps.
Well, they're gonna just move with the SPY, but a lot of times, you know, people are like, "Oh, we're going back up. Time to buy everything," and then it's usually when you can get decent moves on the smaller stuff.
You think something would pop?
Gotcha. I think if it continues like tomorrow, we'll probably will. I kind of think you need a day or two of it to bring faith back. Which who knows? Maybe we'll get a bounce in the SPY. I mean, you can't go fucking straight down, right? I mean, I can, but. Alright, AM Dizzle. I'm watching you, bitch. Thing keeps going. This could just keep going.
Chow Chen Yao. What's up, man? Thanks for the sub.
God, I'm never
Welcome.
ready for these long days.
No.
I don't know how to pronounce this. Hungarian forint is their currency. One US dollar equals 309 of their dollars.
I'm moving to Hungary.
Damn, I'm going to Hungary.
Well, you have to remember, I'm sure they're like Big Macs, like 500, their currency, whatever.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Actually, it's probably 3, 6, 9, 12. It's probably like 1,500. That's crazy. Yeah. Well, in South Korea, 1 USD is worth 1,129 South Korean won. Can you imagine trying to do the conversion on that? That's insane.
Oh, another shitty game's gonna be on tonight.
I know, I saw that.
All the primetime games are like shitty for the most part.
ABMD,
Yeah, it's probably hard for them to change every once in a while. Because like later in the season when they start seeing the records play out, they can start changing like the primetime games if they really want to.
But like Denver's played in like 3 of them.
I know. Well, you remember the Ravens did that a couple seasons ago. They played in like 4 of them. It was like a Thursday night, 2 Sunday nights, and then a Monday night.
Yeah, but they were a good team. They weren't shitty. They
True.
just ended all those games because Russell Wilson went there and he just sucks.
Yeah, probably.
That's crazy. You can see how much a Big Mac is in every country.
Oh, no. I mean, I could look it up. Or wait,
Yeah,
did you look
can.
it up?
I'm looking at it right now.
QNGY YOLO.
Hungary is one of the
Late
cheapest.
alert
It's
there.
$3.43
Might still have
US.
nice op to get in.
2,000?
$3.43
Oh,
American.
$3 our money. Gotcha. So it's like 900 to 1,000 of their money?
I guess. The Big Mac is $6 in the US? Is that fucking true?
Yes. Dude, every sandwich right now
What
is
the
stupid
fuck?
expensive.
A
Yeah.
Big Mac is $6?
Yeah, remember when they used to be like $3.29?
My mind is blown, dude.
Yeah, I don't really eat out anymore, like places that I don't feel there's any value. Like, well, they were just doing
Where
that
do
the
you
other
think-
day. It was like
Where do you think a Big Mac is the most amount of money?
the most amount, probably like Japan
No.
or like we're somewhere where it's very inaccessible.
Japan's under us, bro. Japan's cheaper than us.
Like Iraq.
No, they're pretty cheap too. The Middle East
Really?
is in the cheaper zones.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Something like that.
The most expensive is
Canada?
Switzerland. And a Big
well,
Mac
Switzerland's-
is $12.84 fucking cents.
Switzerland is just stupid expensive in general.
Yeah. But $12.84, dude, for a Big Mac. That's where I'm not traveling. Switzerland. Fuck that.
I ain't getting no Big Mac in Switzerland.
Dude, imagine how much like a nice meal costs there. If a Big Mac's $12.84.
Even now, if you try to get like a Big Mac meal, you're gonna pay like I think it's $11 or something like that. You might as well just go to like one of the restaurants and order a burger and pick it up.
Yeah.
Right?
Well, that's
Fuck.
how it is right now and around here. Like I was gonna say at Wendy's, it's like for one of their hamburger meals, it's $12. It's like I'd
Or
rather
no.
just go to the restaurant and pay an extra $2 and get like a real burger and like real sides, and it's crazy.
That's crazy, dude. That's fucking bananas to me.
Oh, SPY's coming down. Lost $1.
Yeah. And he's showing some weakness up here. What the SPY's doing is making me a little nervous on it
Order
though,
filled.
because it made it over this level here that I kind of wanted to see fail.
What's Twitter doing today? Anything? No, nothing at all. Tesla's down 13.
Shopify's just hanging out up here. I'm like, hey, look at me. I'm up here. That's what it's saying.
I'll be right back. I gotta go take the dog out.
Whatever, Jag. I just wanted to sound agitated with Jag for no reason.
Looking for the SPY to pull this down with it, but doing quite the opposite.
Fuck, everything's
It's been following the SPY this whole
it's
time.
so
and
annoying.
fucking the first time I decide to try it, it's gonna come up and get me.
Did you say all those dudes are short AA?
No, I don't know what you're
I think
talking
he
about.
said David. I think he said David. was
Oh,
in
he
AA.
shorted it earlier, yeah.
He's still in it?
No.
This is ranked up higher too. That's a huge move. That thing's moved almost $5 in a day. It's bananas. What's UPST doing? That's a pretty decent couple bucks.
1 minute to natural gas storage. Expecting a build of 105 BCF.
Basically, this either works, comes right back down, or I'm getting out. Take my dumb loss and move on.
What's happening, folks?
Is that a good answer? That's all I got.
Order filled.
7.
Order cancelled. Order partially
A build
filled.
of 111
Order
So
filled.
dumb. So
versus
fucking
the
dumb.
105 that was expected. On natural gas futures moving a bit lower here now, $5.34.
Order filled.
Rounding.
You at work today, Thomas?
Yeah, man.
Sorry, how's the kid feeling?
Dude, he's got a lingering cough, dude. That's bad. Yeah.
What do you have, the flu?
Don't know. You know, I didn't get him tested or anything.
No. It is flu season.
He didn't run a fever or nothing.
Weird.
Order filled.
Freaking kids get everything, dude. If there is
Shop
a
heavy.
sickness to get, the kid will get it.
Guess I should have just kept my shares. My 200 shares, that is.
Market's been fucking difficult.
Just chopping myself out of bullshit.
Hey, buddy. You give me 30 minutes and I'll take you for a walk.
Shop dollar.
How's the new puppy going, Tim?
It's going.
Seem like you're not so excited about this puppy.
NGM small leftovers for the fade. Shop done messing with it?
Anybody get anything? Assuming
I
no.
have AIDS and monkeypox.
Cool.
I don't know how I got them. I'm blaming COVID. It's because you didn't get vaccinated.
It is.
Bastard. You killed me.
You see now the CDC is recommending to all the states that any kid going to school has to have the COVID vaccine.
I haven't seen that.
You didn't see that coming?
I did.
Did they really say that?
Yeah, they voted on it yesterday. It was unanimous.
Well, luckily they don't make any money off that.
There's gonna be a lot of homeschooling going on.
It's fucking crazy. I don't think they can make that happen.
Why do they
Just
make?
like they can't make you take a flu shot.
Yeah, but they're calling it a vaccine. That's the difference.
Yeah.
That's bullshit. It's a fucking flu shot.
That's all I gotta do is change it to a vaccine, and it's gonna just be like the rest of them that we have to get before we go to public school.
And they do say that they cannot mandate a COVID vaccine in school. It says CDC corrects a conservative claim they cannot mandate COVID vaccines in school.
Order filled.
I don't think we have to worry about that.
The states, but the states can mandate it.
Oh, the states can?
Yeah.
No, my governor wouldn't do that because he's too big of a pussy anyways. He knows everybody would hate him. They already do.
Yeah, all the Republicans won't.
Done messing
all the
with
Democrat ones
NGM.
will, for the most
Mine's a
part.
Democrat, but I don't think he would because he knows he'll get fucking voted out. There's too many people that get too pissed about that shit. It's like after they did the shutdown, he said they will never shut down again. They don't care what anybody else does.
Yeah,
Because everybody was fucking irate.
that's because it didn't do anything to shut down.
Yeah, I think if he knows it's gonna hurt his reputation,
Hoping at
Democrat
least
or
to get the
Republican,
retest
at
of
least the
this.
guy who's
38.
here, he's too big of a bitch to piss everybody off. He doesn't believe in it that much, you know. I'm not
If it
too
if it
concerned.
gives me my stop price, I'll be basically break even on this. I just put it a penny above that previous candle, looking like it wanted to break down again. But if it wants to go back above there, then the odds are it's going to go up and at least try up through 30.75 again. Which I'm not looking to mess with this anymore. I'll just take my scratch gross on it and be red on it
don't
over
even
all
know
his
why we're
commissions
talking
and
about
just be
cooking
done with
anymore.
it.
Biden said it's gone.
Yeah,
Shit
So
looks
why
like
do we-
that's
why
what's
do we
going to
need do
happen.
that? You know, I mean, that's why it's so stupid.
And there it
Order
is.
filled.
They don't even know what the fuck they're saying.
Alright. I am officially done.
dude, it's like to the point where like nobody really
Okay,
cares.
officially done with shop.
No.
No trade
And
list.
I don't care what side of the aisle you're on. I have very few people that I know that are still kind of making a fuss about it. I know a few, and they're like the super intense liberals.
Well, you see the wackos that are still at the grocery store with their masks on and shit.
Yeah, I mean, if you're old, I'm cool with it. you
Morning.
know, and I get
How you
it.
doing, Looney?
When you're
But for
sick,
younger
I-
people,
You don't have anything on RBT
yeah,
yet?
if you're old or sick or you got an issue, wear it. You know.
there's people here. I mean, not. You go to the store, they're still driving in their car with their fucking mask on, like a fucking retard.
Yeah. I mean, I will say, like, I used to put a mask on if my kid had the flu because I don't want the fucking flu.
Yeah.
You know, if I can prevent it, if I can prevent getting it, I'm gonna do everything I can. Fucking squirting her with Lysol. Not really squirting her, just kidding.
Oh,
But
Don't say you were squirting your kid. It doesn't sound
I
good.
wasn't squirting the kid with Lysol. I said with Lysol, motherfucker. Lysol.
You call it Lysol.
You don't? That's funny. AMD is immensely interesting to me up here, but I don't want to short it yet. I'm not going to short it just because it's up here. You know, it's got to show me something. Like, it is 100% in this fucking sell zone. That's been in for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 days. And it clearly is getting selling pressure up there, but if it fucking eats through that shit, this thing's gonna rip. This is one that I would take 20, 30 cents lower. I think if it comes down, it's gonna make a really nice move down.
Feel much less pump awaiting the dump. Yeah. Do you notice any lag in DOS Trader at market open? Yes, I do. Pretty sure I had some on my LVS trade. YouTube after you say you're on Twitch? What did they do?
August killing me. I'll be right back. Great using TWS, but it gets laggy during the day, so looking for something easier to use. Oh, so DOS and TWS are night and day, man. I mean, yeah, I get some lag here and there, but it's very rare. TWS just sucks. Like, I would never use that. DCDM. Russia keeps claiming it. Didn't win my appeals. Russia keeps claiming it? What are you doing that Russia would claim anything? The heck? Are you playing like copyrighted music? I mean, that's what but this is a lot of this gets copyrighted all the time. I just don't monetize it. So I don't monetize my streams. So maybe that's why. Well, yeah, but you can't play like popular music, because what happened to you, that happened to me too. Like when they literally shut my stream down midstream once. Like I was like, well, I'm not monetizing, you know, I'll just play whatever music I want. But then like I started playing popular music. Lo-fi beats, no words. What? Bro, I play this shit every day, and like it gets copyrighted after the fact, but it never shuts the stream down. It's weird. The only time they ever shut the stream down was when I was playing like popular music.
RUM Rumble.
Yeah, that's odd.
Now it's $7.48, just off the low, down 8% after a negative report at the aircade. That's from your uniform, Michael.
Yeah, that's kind of frustrating. And these days suck. I just want some like real moves. Please.
How did y'all get Devin to be so quiet?
So apparently you just wait till he gets in a trade and start talking about it. And he'll just be quiet. He'll actually mute us and everything. It's great. Oh, he must be in a trade. Because he just muted us. I mean, to be fair, he never said he was in a trade, so.
Dude, how? That dude was chatty this morning. I had to mute the room. And I was like, dude, you're not the only one trading here. It's 2 minutes into the bell.
Oh, but it's his world, man. We just live in it. He definitely can start chatting when he's not trading.
Interesting.
PSLA, Tesla making a new intraday high, 212.08. Still down about 4.5%. Tango Sandy.
Maybe a pop through 42 for a scalp. Hole trying again. Needs speed.
AEHR back up to the highs.
AEHR back to the highs. Says 100% margin there.
you meant the world to me. You don't like the lights, but it's camera time. Said take the picture, but you rolled your eyes. Now I'm mortified and still terrorized. Push me behind to get me from my better side. I wanna push you back, but that's all you want. Wanna rub me up, I'm holding back. Tryna get me framed, throw me in cuffs. Said I attacked you, that's just a false truth. No need to argue, and yeah, I've had enough. You follow me anywhere I try to be alone. I find you there. There's more to me. Everywhere I try to go alone, I find you there. You follow me anywhere I try to be alone, I find you there. Oh, there's more to me. Anywhere I try to be alone, I find you there. I find you there.
WTRH, ASAP.com, launching home and office delivery in New York City. That's Whiskey Tango Romeo Hotel, WTRH.
I'm so scared to leave my house, so I cannot run free from this. Always being watched by you, and that's so inconsiderate. My privacy, does that exist? Probably haven't heard of it. Need to live a different life, cause lights and cameras are in it. Trying to find a silver lining. All I wanna do is avoid the violence. But you're here again, I'm losing it. There's no more screaming in silence. Get out my face, turn off the flash. I hate the fame, no more of that. Leave me alone or I'll collapse. I need a break, don't feel the crack. You follow me anywhere I try to be alone, I find you there. There's more to me. Everywhere I try to go alone, I find you there. Yeah, yeah. You follow me anywhere I try to be alone, I find you there. Oh, there's more to me. Anywhere I try to be alone, I find you there. I find you there.
I'm walking around in the circle of life, doing the things I know, walking the same ways 100 times with the same soul. But do you ever try to path on the right side, put it up in your mind? But do you ever try to path on the left side, put it up in your mind? talking about the same old stories they've heard about the people they think they know. But do you ever try to path on the right side? Put it up in your mind. But did you ever try to path on the left side? Put it up in your mind. It's gonna be hard. You run, drive, roll your mind. You run, drive, roll your mind. You run, drive, roll your mind. You run, every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight.
WABC, West America Bancorp, out with their results. Whiskey Alpha Bravo Charlie. $1.29. The estimate was 90. The estimate was $1 on WABC, Whiskey Alpha Bravo Charlie.
Indeed, looking heavy here.
What is?
AMD, but Kevin's not listening, so.
Oh, that's probably because he's in it. JK.
ARVL, Arrival announced the plan to restructure its business to focus resources on a family of van products for U.S. market. Expected to have a sizable impact on company's global workforce, predominantly in the UK. Company to further right-size organization and cut cash-intensive activities. That's Alfa Romeo Victor Lima.
Tim, does your wife do the takeoffs or do the contractors do the takeoffs?
What's the takeoff?
So you look at the plans and you count all the fixtures.
You look at the plans and then you count them. So you're the quantity, figure out the quantity.
Yeah. So it could be 1,000 6-inch recessed cans, 2,000 4-inch, 2x4 lights. You
Right.
physically count them.
No, yeah, that already comes to her with the number.
Okay.
Why is that something that you have to do before you send it? You have to count them all.
Yeah, that's what I do. I do takeoffs. Which is weird because on the plumbing side, the supply houses do their. I guess no, they don't because they only give you a price on onesies. But on the electrical side, you got to submit a takeoff, or they won't give onesies. You got to do the takeoff and submit it to them, and they give you a price on a package.
Right. I mean, it makes sense. It's frustrating that, you know, the work's there, but I mean, somebody's got to do it. Just get one of your peons to do it. Adric, I'm trying.
Actually,
I have been using more size.
Thinking,
It's just
like I said, I didn't know
plays
if it worked
have
the same up there. As
not
it did
been
down
working
here.
very well
I was kind
as
of
of
like,
late.
hey, if you know how to read plans, blueprints for design, electrical plans, that is something you could do from the house.
Yeah, true. Pay me like 100 grand a year, I'll do it.
Yeah, you're pushing it.
Divided by 10. I would say trade a bit more high volatility stocks. Say what? Do you know who I am? I am volatility trading. That's all I trade, or attempt to. I end up getting stuck in these stupid ones like shop because there's nothing else to trade. Something like shop doesn't have that much range versus RBT. Yeah, but I can't trade RBT. I agree with you. I don't have shares on this. And it's SSR. Had I had shares on this, I would have been looking for this move up towards 3 though. I would have wanted that up through 3. Trust me, I don't want to trade things like shop. I don't. Shop is the last thing I want to trade, but there's nothing else to trade today.
TRUP, Trupanion, Piper says chewy addition of lemonade to pet insurance and wellness show. A negative for Trupanion, that's from Piper.
Am I over PDT? Yeah. I'm at $30,600, almost to the penny. Before today. Commissions will leave me up a little bit here on shop, but
BTU, Peabody Energy has halted for news. Bravo Tango uniform.
watching BHVN.
BHVN up.
daily's worthless.
Yeah. A little bit of a gap fill there. I'm assuming that's a reverse split. Or a split, I mean. Not a reverse split. Yeah, but I don't have to pay for locates here on IB. And I'm possibly switching over to Guardian at the end of the year. I'm still figuring that out. Ah, shop, you suck. Yeah, it's finally breaking down. It's kind of what I was hoping for here. And off of there, but I had to keep trying to go higher first. Yeah, I'm not saying center point's bad. It's just IB is kind of nice because when we can short something, we don't have to pay anything for it. It's all easy to borrow stuff. Dave Sanders. Thank you for the sub, man. Appreciate that. Paying for locates is costing you more money in profit than an actual... Oh, I agree. That's why I'm looking to switch to Guardian. I don't think I have enough money to trade at center point anyway. Isn't center point a higher minimum amount? Isn't it like 50K or something? 40K? It's something higher. Which I don't have the extra money laying around. Which one are you talking about?
GameStop.
GameStop, ticker GME. The 20
30K,
call
gotcha.
coming in on the ask,
I'd be
expiring
right
this
at
week.
it.
Approximately $25,000 were speculative.
GME.
Ticker GME. $25 calls coming in on the ask, expiring this week. Stock currently popping to the highs.
Fuck, now the meme stock is gonna go because now BBBY is up.
It's not moving very much, considering.
Yeah.
So IMUX is trying.
Won't you say why you're a stranger now? Your eyes escape mine when I sit you down. Don't you feel like we're holding on onto a fairy tale, but the magic's gone? Been months of buffing the blushes and faking the butterflies. Wake up, yeah,
IMUX up.
Order cancelled.
I was literally about to jump in, just take a starter, looking for the 10 retest. But then it shot down on me, fucker. Get a bigger move.
Nibble BHVN. So slow though.
Why you hanging on the roof all by yourself? I have an open invitation, but you're telling me go get lost. I don't wanna see your face. Yeah, what the hell? So why don't we stay out to the morning light? 'Cause two wrongs can make a right. We're just doing what we feeling right now. So Chardonnay, we camp in the parking lot. Leave traces of plastic cups. We're just doing what we feeling right now. So what the hell? Why you hanging on the roof all by yourself? Always waiting for the one, but I got news for you. I'm the best that you can get. So what the hell? So what the hell? You're pretending that you like somebody else. Like you got boys
NXTP NTB.
you home, but tell the truth, you spend the night alone. Let's be alone. So why don't we stay out to the morning light? 'Cause two wrongs can make a right. We're just doing what we feeling right now. So what the hell? Why you hanging on the roof all by yourself? Always waiting for the one, but I got news for you. I'm the
Some people, Johnny from Canada, would consider that a descending triangle. But the people out there also consider that a bull flag, so I don't know. It's a 50-50 play in my eyes.
I guess I should have jumped in GME for what reason I have no earthly idea, but it would work.
I'm gonna call you Bish Hindsight Core.
Well, I figured everybody else does it, you know.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for IMUX to go back down to 10 and be like, I knew it. Should have just jumped in that for no reason. I have no reason. I have no reason. I mean, this is getting pretty frustrating at this point. Not just today, just like overall, because I feel like it's like really bad this week.
Yeah, I was hoping for a whole lot more for October, and it has not come through.
Dang, he was in that one for a while. It's I think what you saw, it was buffalo tuna on toast. And now I'm just eating some cheesy popcorn. And I fed the fish earlier. Missed it. Tuna on toast is amazing.
APR and sorta trying.
Sometimes I can't help but feel like I don't belong here. Out of place, out of mind, like all the time. There's nothing else that feels like it's meant for me. But I've got a sweet escape. Under bright light, illuminate my face. Under bright light, they're shining down on us. Under bright light, illuminate your face. Under bright light, that's when I come alive.
this is McDonald's new adult Happy Meal, the Cactus Plant Flea Market box. If it looks like the old classic Happy Meal boxes, that's the point. McDonald's says this is supposed to play off the nostalgia and the feeling of getting a toy in the box. We've got our 4 options right here. We've got the Cactus Buddy, Grimace, Birdie, and the Hamburglar Big Mac combo. Costs $12.89. It's been a long time since I've opened a Happy Meal box. Let's see what we get. Ooh, okay. We got the Cactus Buddy. I was hoping for Grimace. That's all right. It is a plastic toy. This one doesn't do anything. This head doesn't move. Kind of underwhelming. I probably wouldn't get this again, but I will say as far as rekindling the nostalgic feeling goes, it really does bring back the feeling of being disappointed by which McDonald's toy you got. That has definitely happened to me before as a kid. It's a familiar feeling that I wasn't expecting to have, but I wanted Grimace. I really did. But yeah, we got a Cactus Buddy.
People really paying multiple thousands of dollars for these adult Happy Meal McDonald's toys?
I have no idea what you're talking about.
BHVN out all. No patience today.
You hear Drag?
Good lord.
BTU Peabody Energy says has not issued any quarter earnings for the quarter ended September 30th. That's Bravo Tango Uniform. Press release now says Peabody today issued a statement stating that third-party reports of earnings for the quarter ending September 30th are false, as the company has not yet issued any earnings for this period. The company will report earnings in the coming weeks consistent with best practice. Shares of Peabody were halted
I have a lobster.
ahead of that press release from the company. Bravo Tango Uniform.
Well, today it took.
You can eat so much of this popcorn, and it's like not that many calories. Like 3 cups of popcorn, it's like 140 calories.
I would never wait for something to let it go to waste. With everything at stake, I thought I would take it all back. I just wanna make this thing last, but we're running out of time. We were doing alright, holding on, but I'm losing the fight. Could we run away? I know if we just hit ground running, closing off all the world with no light coming in, bending before we break. Don't you know you and me, we can run away. You and me, we can run away. Run away, run away. You and me, we can run away. I would never stay for someone that wasn't worth the wait. I'm counting down the days. I know when I'm moving onward, I just wanna trust in your word. But we're
NGM up for a VE.
time. We were doing alright, holding on, but I'm losing the fight. Could we run away? I know if we just hit ground running, closing off all the world with no light coming in, bending before we break. Don't you know you and me, we can run away. You and me, we can run away. Run away, run away. You and me, we can run away. One day you'll leave this world behind, so live a life you will remember. My father told me when I was one day you'll leave this world behind.
Oruski.
LVS up, possible entry 39.05 and 39.50.
Pretty sure that's a myth anyway. I'm pretty sure it was on something where they disproved it. Let me see.
BTU, Peabody Energy shares resumed.
Yeah, it was definitely proven wrong.
Snap moving. I need to put. I'm eating more than I should.
That's funny.
Entombed in my mind, can't seem to break away. Lost in time, thinking about better days. Do you ever get used to the pain? 'Cause I don't know if I can do this again. Now you got me wondering why you let me die alone inside. I died for you, I cried for you, I tried for you. Tell me why you left me bleeding. I died for you.
Moderna, ticker MRNA. The 120 calls coming in on the ask, expiring November 18th. Approximately $250,000 worth. That's ticker MRNA. The 120 calls coming in on the ask, expiring November 18th. Approximately $250,000 worth.
Lullabies of you still in my head. Bloodshot eyes, can't sleep, I'm rotting in my bed. Even the drugs don't faze me. I don't think you understand. I gave you everything I had. When did shit go wrong? And now you got me wondering why you let me die alone inside. I died for you, I cried for you, I tried for you. Tell me why you left me bleeding. I died for you, I cried for you, I tried for you.
NGM miss, dang.
I don't know why you left me bleeding. With a broken heart, tell me if I deserve this feeling.
Mythbusters blew a water heater about 50 feet in the air through a floor.
Special till you end up all this way. Please tell me why you left me bleeding. With a broken heart, tell me why I deserve this feeling. I thought that you loved me, I thought that you need me till you end.
Fun and educational. What's not to love? Welcome to Watch Mojo.
Have you forgot all the moments while we were so true? This world was made for two.
Okay.
Feelings change and love can go, but tell me why are you so cold? What did I wrong? What was the fault? And what you say is I don't know. Feelings change and love can go, but tell me why are you so cold? What did I wrong? What was the fault? I thought that you loved me, I thought that you need me till you end up all this way. Have you forgot all the moments while we were so true? This world was great for two.
I was like, man, don't tell me I missed Snap.
NKE,
Oh, shit.
Nike, shares moving sharply lower here. Adidas reporting its earnings. And Nike, November Kilo Echo, dropping lower. Adobe is not traded on any U.S. exchange. It's November Kilo Echo, NKE.
I got you and your vibes in my mind, I can't get them out, no matter how hard I try. I need you and your heart next to mine, yeah, I'm all about keeping it you and I. When you're here, you spark chemical reactions, your aura strikes like lightning.
An update on that, Adidas reducing its fiscal year guidance and Nike dropping sharply lower on that, moving below the $90 level, now at $89.12 for November Kilo Echo NKE.
Yeah. So that's what I have, one of those in both my cars. But they have this other one now. I have it on my keychain, this guy. Emergency keychain, let's see. I could type. See if he actually tests it. So I used to get this guy right there, but you have to stick it in your glove box. This one you can put right on your keychain, and that's what I have now. And it's a little different. Like, so this one you have to actually bang the window, or this one you literally stick this part up
out
against the
from
window
Fed's
and just press, and it
Parker.
just shatters the
Fed's
window. Let's see if he
raising
shows
rate
it.
quote for a while. Needs to
Or it
see
might just be a
sustained drop in
review.
inflation to change policy
It isn't really a
outlook.
review. Oh, okay, so maybe it does.
Says Fed actively trying to slow
So
the
there's
economy
that
to
part. Cuts
curtail
right through
high
it.
inflation.
I've actually used it as like a pocket knife a couple times too, which I probably shouldn't,
Goes
because
for
then it'll
Fed's
probably lose
Parker.
its sharpness. All right, come on. Yeah, so that's what it does. I mean, it's so easy. You literally just push into it and it just breaks. Pretty awesome. Yeah, look, he's got one too. You just literally press it against. That's what all the thieves are using nowadays. It's so easy, and you can get it for freaking $10 on Amazon. Ridiculous. So. Yeah, that's literally the exact one I have. It's kind of like having
NKE
fire
flushing.
extinguishers in your house.
Not
Like,
for
I
me.
mean,
Maybe GDT.
should always have fire extinguishers in your house, first aid stuff in your house. You should always have one of those. Ooh, dang.
EARR and XOM.
Looked halted there for a sec, LOL.
Exxon Mobil Billings Refinery and associated marketing and logistics assets. Shares will halted ahead of that news. $310 million base purchase price expected to be funded by cash on hand and existing credit lines. That's Papa Alpha Romeo Romeo and X-Ray Oscar Michael.
Stop putting me in that room.
What's that?
Stop putting me in the other room.
You put yourself there. You go away for too long and you end up there all by yourself. You see that little bit of cellulite sneaking in there.
Yeah, it's terrible.
Yeah, man. I don't know if I can look at her the same anymore.
I know.
Japhus,
Man,
please
you
educate
missed the
me
scoop
regarding
on
trading.
NKE.
Yeah, Jag, you would have been all over that. Nike, NKE. Just missed it too.
I know that had a good drop, huh?
Something about Adidas news and Nike's dropping based off of it.
That's weird.
Yeah. Well, what do you want to know, Japhus? I don't really know what you already know and all that good stuff. What do you want to know? You got me for about 10 minutes. Usually I'm out of here at 12, but you caught me. Look, I typed your name into the ticker symbol instead of Peggy. Any of you know anything about cameras?
No.
Like, yeah, me neither.
I just know you take pictures.
Shares of Nike getting a rebound.
Sell high, buy low, buy low, sell high.
Reports
on the
and guidance
phone?
from Adidas sending shares lower. Nike, that's November Kilo Echo.
You have literally zero knowledge regarding trading. I would recommend go into YouTube, and I don't have any of this
MGM at the
myself
right time.
really yet, like a beginner's video.
It went up
But
another
look
50
up
cents after I
like
just
day trading
grind it up.
support and resistance. And if you don't know anything, you might want to learn, like you could maybe search like what is day trading price action. You need to learn like what the bid and the ask are. I would say like learning the basics as far as like what the bid is, what the ask is, support and resistance is a really big deal. Like when you're first starting, it's something that everyone should understand. Obviously I can't sit here in 10 minutes and teach you everything, but you know, I'm still learning and I'm 4 years in. But I am planning in the future to start making like some videos that are geared towards like starting from the very beginning. I just haven't got there yet. Still focused on trying to just scale up and make a living from this first. But I would say learning support and resistance is probably number one. And then just like all the other basics, like it's probably hard for me to know like all the basics. Like it's hard for me to go back and remember like what I wish I would have found first. But try to stay away from a lot of the people that are talking about, I don't know, like specialty things. Like don't worry about indicators, don't worry about MACD, don't worry about RSI, don't worry about level 2. You could learn about time and sales. Time and sales could be good because that's part of price action. You'll hear me lean a lot towards price action, like learning price action. You could learn like you could find a bunch of different videos on like basic indicators like bull flags, bear flags, you know, breakouts, you know, all that kind of stuff. If you're really looking to get like the general idea of how a lot of people do trade, but how a lot of people trade, you know, there's a reason they call them the 90%. I would say what separates me and why I'm profitable versus a lot of people that can't prove that they're profitable is price action. Like learning price action, learning support and resistance, learning bid ask, etc. I don't know how much money you have laying around either, but if you have some money, you could always look for a mentor. That's always a good start. So you can kind of ask these questions every day, daily to them. I'm in Intensity Stock Watch Scanner. Brian, he's got a room. He's been my mentor for pretty much 3 years now.
ASTI.
I've learned pretty much everything I know from him in his own unique way.
Goes up 16%
But
for ASTI.
that's if you got extra money laying around. I mean, you can check that link. I have a link down below if you want to check that out. Could be a good way for you to get started. Just come in and pretty much ask whatever you want and get an answer throughout the day. There's a few of us in there that can help you. But yeah, I mean, if there's anything that you can think of specifically after you've done that, I'm here live every morning the market's open. So if you want to keep coming back and asking questions, feel free. But on that note, I am going to get out of here. I have to go get ready to get my son. I have a student parent teacher conference thing today as well. I have a Discord down below as well, Jafis. If you want to join there, you're more than welcome to ask questions in there as well. And I will see you all tomorrow morning. So until then, stay safe and later, Gators. Peace.
Asti and TB.
Our ME IPO is open now for trade. Papa Romeo Michael Echo. Shares priced at $17 now at $18.77, opened at $18.97, PRME. Papa Romeo Michael Echo. AJG, Arthur J. Gallagher, acquires Case and Huff and Schuster Insurance, terms not disclosed. That's Alpha Julia Golf.
We used to be solid, not falling apart. Things never not okay when you were mine. You used to be honest, not pulling my heartstrings. Every other day you change your mind. Cause when you're high, you call me like I'm lonely. Some kind of little toy for you to wind up when you land in bed and feeling lonely. I'm tired of being deployed like that. Getting busier and busier, so disorientated. First you want me, then you're busy. Girl, it's not that complicated. Got me tied up in a leash and running, going round, round. You got me running in a circle. I'm just trying to find my way back to you. What happened to us? Round in a circle. Back where I started, I'm stuck here like glue. You keep me on a loop. I'm just trying to find my way back to you. What happened to us? Round in a circle. Back where I started, I'm stuck here like glue. You keep me on loop.
Good God.